The first question I get from beginners who just bought the first sewing machine is, where do I start from? And most people think it's complicated. Well, it's not. You just need to master the act of controlling your machine. For those watching for the first time, this is Singer SN520 Silver Threader machine. Place the thread on the spool and attach the spool cap to lock it up. Follow the thread guide and pass the thread down into the needle. Just in case you're unable to find the lever, just turn the hand wheel towards you and it's gonna pop up. Remember to insert the bobbin properly, and that's all you need to begin. Well, I'm wrong. We still need to get our fabric and make a straight dotted line to guide us through. This is where beginners panic. We always search for shortcuts, but the truth is that sewing comes with patience. The more you practice, the more better you become. When sewing your fabric, you don't have to look at the needle. Just let the line you marked on the fabric guide you. Let the machine fit the fabric and your hand should only guide it. After a few tries, I hope it doesn't feel better. This is ironing. This is what shows that you know what you're doing when it comes to fashion. So your pressing skills makes a difference, and this is what separates the beginners from the professionals. And this is pressing. You don't need to slide the iron. This is where you start, not with jackets, not with suits, but with discipline and patience. Now that question, where do I start from? Hope you finally got the answer.